Good morning, students. Good morning. Today we will revise lesson 6, the last leaf of your book Moment. I read passage, and after reading this passage you will give me answer. I will ask you MCQs based on this extract from this lesson, the last leaf. Then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. There were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. "Johnsy dear," said Shoo, "look out of the window. Look at that ivy cliff. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows? That is Behrman's masterpiece. He painted it the night the last leaf fell." You will find it at the last passage, last page of the lesson. Not in the beginning. Because the ivy leaf has been painted by the Behrman. That will be the last page, I think. Okay? Have you found out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I ask you now questions. Who are they in the given lines? Behrman's family, Johnsy and Shoo, the doctor and Shoo and Behrman's family.
Johnny and Shoo.
Johnsy and
Shoo.
Why was there a ladder and lantern near his bed? Because he had used them to paint a leaf, because he was writing, because of an emergency, because of the doctor's visit.
Because he used it for a painting.
Because he had used it for painting. ठीक है? Yeah, them to paint a leaf. Next question. What was Behrman's masterpiece?
The last.
Yes, the last leaf on the ivy creeper. Next question. What made Behrman paint his masterpiece? To get money, to please the young artist, for Shoo's exhibition, and to save Johnsy's life. Yes, to save Johnsy's life. Where was Behrman in the given situation? In the hospital, at his exhibition, he was found dead in his house and at his class.
He was found dead at his house.
He was found dead in his house. ठीक है? When Shoo and Johnsy came to know that the leaf that has not shed is painted by the Behrman. Then both of them came downstairs to see Behrman, and they found that he was lying dead on the bed wearing his shoes and his clothes were wet. Clear? समझ आया? Next देखिए, next passage. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. वो बेड की तरफ गई फटाफट. उसने जॉन्सी को बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हुए सुना. She was looking out of the window and was saying. उसने विंडो की तरफ देखा और वो क्या कह रही थी? 12. After some time she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8 and 7. She was doing backward counting. What she was counting? Leaves of the ivy creeper. ठीक है? Who is she in the first line of the extract? Johnsy. No. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. Shoo. कौन थी? Shoo. What was Johnsy counting? The number of cars, the number of leaves, the number of water drops, the number of petals.
Number of leaves.
Why was she counting in reverse?
Because the leaves of the ivy creeper is falling.
Listen the answers. Because the water drops on the windows were reducing. Because the number of cars on the road were reducing. Because the number of leaves on the ivy creeper were reducing. And because her living days were reducing. क्या आएगा? थर्ड वाला. Because the leaves on the ivy creeper were reducing. Clear? Next question. Why was Johnsy counting it? Because to divert her mind, to entertain herself, to pass her time, because of her strange belief.
Because of her strange belief.
Because of her strange belief. What type of strange belief did she have?
When the last leaf was revealed.
Yes, when the last leaf of this Ivy creeper will fell down,
She will
with that she will also die. ठीक है? Yes, she will also die with the falling of that last Ivy leaf. ठीक है? समझ आया? तो that's why that belief was strange. How can it be possible? What is the correlation between the life of Johnsy and that leaves? How can it be possible that she will die with the falling of that last leaf? That's why it was a strange belief. You can be asked why Johnsy had that strange belief and why this belief is called strange. Then you can say that how can it be possible कि एक जो girl की life है, how a girl's life can be coordinate with that life, sorry with that leaf on that Ivy creeper. Clear? It means she has lost her willpower. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने अपनी विल पावर खो दी थी, उसने अपना जो कॉन्फिडेंस था वो खो दिया था. कि जब हम बीमार होते हैं और जब हम मेडिसिन लेते हैं तो अगर हम ये सोच लें कि मेडिसिन से आराम नहीं आएगा हमारे को, इट विल नॉट क्योर अस, देन एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल नॉट क्योर अस. एंड इफ वी आर टेकिंग मेडिसिन एंड वी विल थिंक दैट आफ्टर सम टाइम इफ वी विल गेटिंग इट at time, proper time, then we will get soon. We will get well soon. Then definitely we will get well soon. ठीक है? So she had lost her willpower. What misconception had Johnsy developed in her mind? She was great. She can't be cured. She would die with the fall of last leaf on the creeper and all of the above.
Ma'am, third. Last leaf fall. Third.
Yes, she would die with the fall of the last leaf on the creeper. Now some questions of 2 marks. What illness was Johnsy suffering from?
Pneumonia.
She was suffering from pneumonia. What did she start believing? She started believing that she would die with the fall of that last leaf. How did Bearman ensure that the last leaf didn't fall?
Because he
How did?
painted a last leaf.
Yes, Bearman was a good painter. आपको 20-30 वर्ष तो कंप्लीट करने पड़ेंगे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
तो Bearman was a good painter. She wanted to be a masterpiece. What does mean by masterpiece? Masterpiece, that the thing of a person related to his or her profession that can save any life. जो किसी लाइफ को बचा दे, जो किसी को चेंज कर दे, जो किसी करियर को, किसी की लाइफ को बिल्कुल ही चेंज कर दे अच्छे के लिए. That is called masterpiece. That is, so how can we say that the painting of that leaf is the masterpiece of Bearman? Because the painting of that last leaf saved the life of Johnsy. ठीक है? Who had understood that she will die with the falling of that last leaf. ठीक है? जो कि समझ चुकी थी कि भी लास्ट लीफ के मरने के साथ, और एक्चुअली हो भी जाता शायद ऐसा कि अगर वो लास्ट लीफ को पेंट नहीं करते तो जो पेंटिंग की वजह से ही तो वो बची थी. ठीक है? इफ ही कुड नॉट पेंट दैट लीफ देन ही वुड हैव डाइड. ठीक है? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, who were Sue and Johnsy and how were they living? Sue and Johnsy were 2 friends and they were living in the same flat, same room.
they got placed.
At the third story of a flat. ठीक है, चलिए, what was Jonesy sure about and what made her change her mind about dying? जोन्सी किसके बारे में श्योर थी? जो मैं आपको बार बार बता चुकी हूँ कि शी विल डाई विद द फॉलोइंग ऑफ दैट लास्ट लीफ. एंड व्हाट मेड हर चेंज हर माइंड अबाउट डाइंग? बिकॉज दैट लास्ट लीफ couldn't fall from that evil creeper. And now she was getting well. And then she asked Jonesy that her life has been saved by that masterpiece of Bearman. Then both rushed to downstairs to that room where that Bearman was lying dead on the bed. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, क्वेश्चन है अब आगे. हाउ डिड शू हेल्प जोन्सी ड्यूरिंग हर इलनेस? उसकी बीमारी के दौरान शू ने जोन्सी की हेल्प कैसे की?
By motivating her.
बाय मोटिवेटिंग हर. हाउ डिड शी मोटिवेट हर? कैसे मोटिवेट किया? जब भी वो पेंटिंग कर रही थी, ठीक है, तो उसके साथ बैठी थी वो पेंटिंग करते हुए, ठीक है, सो दैट शी कुड डाइवर्ट हर माइंड. एंड शी वॉज ऑल्सो टेलिंग हर दैट शी इज painting, she is making this painting, she is drawing this painting because so that she could afford that rent, money for the paying for the rent. ठीक है, ताकि उसके भी दिमाग में आए कि ये पेंटिंग करके ड्राइंग करके पैसे कलेक्ट करेगी ताकि वो उसके रेंट के पैसे चुका सके. तो उसके दिमाग में कुछ आएगा, वो भी जीने के लिए सोचेगी कि मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के लिए क्यों ना मैं भी कुछ करूं. और वो जो भी काम करती थी उसके साथ बैठ के करती थी, ठीक है. कभी उसको अच्छी सी ड्रेसेस दिखाती थी कि देखो कितनी अच्छी अच्छी ड्रेसेस हैं, आप ये पहनो, ये करो. तो टाइप से उसका इलनेस के अंदर उसको टाइम से क्या था, डॉक्टर को बुलाती थी, उसको मेडिसिन देती थी. लास्टली वॉज बेयरमैन्स मास्टरपीस जस्टिफाइड. आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर how that last leaf was a masterpiece of Bearman, because it was a masterpiece of Bearman because the last painting of that last leaf saved the life of Jonesy, who had a strange belief. ठीक है. Why does Chu rush down to meet Bearman?
Telling about Jonesy's strange dream.
Because after so much storm, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होने के बाद भी जो है ना, वो लास्ट लीफ गिरा नहीं, ठीक है. और वो उसने ध्यान से देखा तो उसको पता चला दैट इज आर्टिफिशियल, नॉट ए नेचुरल लीफ. देन शी वेंट डाउन टू Bearman's house, and there she saw that Bearman was lying dead in the bed, and he had left ladder beside that wall where that evil creeper was on the wall opposite of the window of that house. ठीक है, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट लेसन. A house is not a home. A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild it. Here, a title of this lesson is A House is Not a Home. What is the difference between house and home? House is only a building, and home is where the people living together with love and sympathy and coordination. That is called home. A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild it, but this time it was different. I wasn't alone. I was with two of my new friends from school. It took a while for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity and open up to all the wonderful people around me. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. Why was the author's house being rebuilt? ऑथर का घर जो है ना वो दोबारा क्यों बनाया गया था? बिकॉज इट वॉज इन ए बैड कंडीशन, बिकॉज इट वॉज इन ए बैड कंडीशन, बिकॉज इट वॉज डिस्ट्रॉयड इन ए स्टॉर्म, बिकॉज इट वॉज डिस्ट्रॉयड इन फायर, एंड इट बिकॉज ऑफ एन इन्फेस्टिनेशन फायर. वाई वॉज इट डिफरेंट दिस टाइम? इस टाइम वो डिफरेंट क्यों था? ही वॉज समवन टू हेल्प हिम, sorry, he had someone to help him. He had his cat and he was confident and all of these. Why was it different this time? He had someone to help him. He had his cat. He was confident and all of these. All of these. Them here represents. Them किसको represent कर रहा है यहाँ पर? The people rebuilding the author's house, author's friends from new school, author's grandparents, author's classmates. The people rebuilding the author's house. ठीक है? उसके फ्रेंड्स नहीं बना रहे थे वो, बिल्डर्स ही बना रहे थे वो. How did the destruction of the house help the author? Removed his insecurity, made him courageous, allowed him to go to open up, and both A and C. Both A and C. What did the author realize? He had to become open-minded, and his life was starting from a new beginning, and he needed to make more friends, and he loved his cat.
Second.
Yes, his life was starting from a new beginning. Okay? Yes. Second passage. In the early morning, when I would disturb her and get out of bed, किसको? Cat को. Author कहता है cat को. She would tag along after me, climb up my rope and crawl into my pocket to fall asleep. यानी मेरी पॉकेट में डल के वो सो जाती थी. I was missing her terribly. Who is her in the given lines? Cat. Author's pet cat. Why was the narrator missing her? She had got lost. What did she do to when the author disturbed her? She bit him. She followed her everywhere. She started crying. She crawled into her pocket. She crawled into her pocket. What does the given line tell us about the author?
Author is pet lover.
He loved his pet. He was very friendly. He was very irritating. He loved disturbing animals.
First or second?
First आएगा. He loved his pet. How did the author find her? He found her near his school, at his grandparents' house. A stranger returned her. His friend gave her. A stranger returned her. Okay. Why does the author break down in tears after the fire?
Because he lost her cat.
Because now he had lost. No.
And house is destroyed.
The house was destroyed, and her mother had gone into the house, and she got fainted. वो बेहोश हो गई थी. So the author found himself in the tears. Okay? Any doubt?
No.
No doubt?